Hello and welcome to another Scalable Software tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to utilize the screen fitting panel using our software. The purpose of the screen fitting panel is to make slight modifications to the screen geometry. This is done after data collection, screen, and image boundary have already been completed. To start, make sure you have the Scalable software open on your computer. Next, select the screen fitting panel. It will take a second to load, and you will notice colored dots around the edges of the screen. Those are the control points. You can move those points by clicking onto the dots and using the arrow keys or mouse to move its direction. You can also add more control points by right-clicking on your mouse and selecting Add Point. Control points can also be removed by hovering over the control point, right-clicking, and selecting the Delete option. You are able to zoom into the panel by using the mouse scroll wheel. If you zoom in too far, use the auto zoom button and it will reset. If the test image you are using is unhelpful, you are able to select a different test image from the gallery. Do note, the changes made to the screen will not be completed and saved unless you select the Update Calibration button. Once your changes have been made, hit the Update Calibration button. This will take some time, but when completed, you will notice the final changes. If you have any issues, please contact the support team. That's all we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.